Welcome back to another free speaking video. It's my day 42, I guess. So let's start today's free speaking. Free speaking. Yesterday I was watching this IPL match of Rajasthan Royals and which one? Rajasthan and KKR. I don't remember. No. Rajasthan and DC. I guess. No. It was a game of Rajasthan versus Lucknow Super Giant. I didn't watch it fully. I did watch the some part of the Rajasthan's batting, not much, not more than that. And I'm not much fond of the IPL. I don't like much. I do not like the IPL as too much. But in this season, my favorite team is Gujarat Titans, and they are playing well. Uh, there in Gujarat Titans, there are a lot of my favorite players, and I do not follow IPL as too much, but I just like to watch sometimes. Like to watch sometimes. So we are again back with another Master Blaster podcast, Teacher Walk podcast, the A slang, the American slang. Okay, let's be little serious. It's not just joke, bro. So, where to start from today? Where to start today? From where to start today? I did the free writing yesterday, and I'm loving this process of free writing. This brings me immense clarification. This brings me immense uh, clarification of who am I? What the hell am I thinking right now? What is my current situation? What is my current situation of my thoughts? How the hell am I behaving in this certain situation? Okay, good. What other than that? I get was the main fundamental benefit of the free writing is to just know yourself more and more better. It's kind of meditation. It's not meditation. It's kind of meditation. You get to know yourself more and more through the process of writing. Okay. What other than that? I don't know. It's 2 minutes and 40 seconds, and still have to speak more 18 minutes now. More 17 minutes. और 17 मिनट बोलना है मुझे. What should I how should I pronounce this in English? I have to speak this in still more 17 minutes. I have to speak this. I don't know. I don't know. But for now, from where should we start? Should we take any topic? No. Let's keep talking us whatever that's come inside of mouth. We'll take the topic in the last 5 minutes. But for now, what the hell am I thinking? I gone to the college today, and it gave me immense new experience. Not immense, not each and every time. It's an immense experience. It gave me new experience. That's it. I was watching this vlog of Dhruv Rathi. Dhruv Rathi's new vlog. He made on into the Dubai. He went to the Museum of Future, and that was absolutely fantastic. And also Ranveer did the vlog. Ranveer Alabadia did the vlog on Dubai, and I like that vlog. It was good. It was good. I admire that vlog. I'm not against the Ranveer or whoever. If I like that, okay, I will say this. Okay, this is actually good content. Whereas who the hell am I to give my opinion on? I'm not a bloody damn YouTuber who has 10 million subscribers and everybody gives a shit about him. I don't give a shit about anyone, and no one gives a shit about me. So how the hell have I a problem? I'm just a free bird. I am a free guy who just speaks free, who just writes free, who just thinks free. That's my definition on social media, on YouTube maybe. But I love this process of free writing and free speaking. And I'll have to keep remembering myself that I have to be as much fluent as I can. Cause this looks so creepy not creepy. So this looks so bad, so weird in the conversation. So try to evaluate that this particular breaks, I can say. For now, from where should we start? From where should we start? Where should we start? It's already been 5:30 minutes, 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Um, I was yeah. Last night I was listening to the podcast of Prakhar and Vinamra. They were talking on writing, and that was Vinamra was basically saying this. You get to know through this process of writing more and more. एक एक चीज़ लिखते हो, तुम्हारे मन में क्या चल रहा है, क्या तुम्हारी सोच, तुम एक स्टेप पीछे होके लिख, नॉट आई मीन तुम लिखते हो, तुम पढ़ते हो, तो यू कैन रीड दैट दिस इज द शिट दैट आई एम थिंकिंग ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक और दिस इज थिंग. तुम अपने विचारों की टट्टी, अपने विचारों की वॉमिट कर रखते हो, कर दे. You vomit your thoughts, your unneedy thoughts, unwanted thoughts, the shitty thoughts, more precisely. True, but this process of free writing and free speaking gives me immense new experiences. Yesterday, I was doing a preparation for my external exam. I was remembering one question. The question was, how many types of clutches? Tell me the types of clutches are there. Mainly, as much have I read, there are 12 types of clutches. Let me give you what are those? Let me give you what are those clutches. First is cone clutch. Then there is friction clutch, there is free wheel clutch, hydraulic clutch, vacuum clutch, dog and spline clutch. There is diaphragm clutch. Then there is centrifugal clutch, semi-centrifugal clutch. Then there is single plate clutch and multi plate clutch. Still one clutch is remaining. And what is that? Cone clutch? Yeah, that's a cone clutch. I forgot. So there are mainly 12 types of clutches are there. Okay, as I told you. जैसा अभी मैंने बताया, mainly 12 type के clutches होते. Tell me what is the principle of clutches, like on what principle do clutches operates on? Tell me something about that. Clutches mainly works on the principle of friction. When there are two surfaces are in contact with each other and they are being pressed, so when they are being pressed, so if one surface is in the revolution, the second one will start revolving at the same speed. This is the main principle of the clutch. In that two surfaces, one surface will be the driver surface and the other one will be the driven surface. The driver surface, and they will be in the contacts with each other. When the driver surface starts revolving, the driven surface also starts revolving at the same speed. And if we separate this driven surface from this driver surface, it will stop revolving. That's the main basic. This is how clutches operates. Cool. What other than this? Okay, there is a variable reluctance stepper motor. See, actually, this is a very good idea. Whatever I do study, I'll speak that on to the camera. I'll explain that on the camera and do the free speech, so that I can keep remember that thing, that particular topic for the examination. That's an extremely cool idea. And even when the camera is not on, I can do this while While after I finish just learning the topic, I'll explain that after some time on the mirror or whatever in the air against someone or whatever. There doesn't need to be a camera always on. So yeah, we were talking about the modified variable reluctance stepper motor. So in the variable reluctance stepper motor, there is a rotor which do not have. There is a rotor which is made of electromagnetic material. It's not a permanent magnet. It's not made of permanent magnet. So in the variable reluctance, there is a electromagnetic material in the rotor part. So what is rotor? Rotor is a center part of a motor which rotates, and a stator is a stay part of the motor which does not rotate, which gives this some support to the whole circuit. No, it's not circuit. To the whole, I don't know, to the whole motor. It's like it's a support of the whole motor, I guess. So yeah, so in the variable reluctance matter, the rotor is made of the electromagnetic material. So you have to give a little voltage or little current to that, so that it is no. I don't know. It's a made of electromagnetic material, but in the electromagnetic, modified variable reluctance stepper motor, there are the teeth on the rotor part, and also there are teeth on the stator part also. And stator part is winded with the coil, and we pass current in this coil. So through due to the current passing through that coil, that electromagnetic material starts like repulsive. I don't know its proper word, repulsive. uh, it starts revolving. There will be some and the north pole and south pole on the all, like the stator will be all around the rotor. So at one pole there will be north pole, north north pole, yes, there will be created a north pole, and the opposite of that there will be created a south pole. So the rotor will move according to that, and it will move step by step. So in the modified variable reluctance motor, variable reluctance stepper motor, there is a teeth on the rotor, and also teeth like it's like teeth. Yeah, you should. I think you can understand this. There will be teeth on the rotor path, and around the rotor, and on the stator also there will be teeth. But I don't know what is the purpose of that. Um if there is a 50, let's say there is a 50 teeth on the rotor path, and there are four main poles on the stator path. So the stepper motor will rotate in the steps of 200 into no 4 into 50. It will be 200. So it will be move into the 200 steps like this. And the angle, if you found, so you should divide 360 by 200. So you will get angle approx 1.5 1.8, I don't remember. Approx, let's say approx 2, like 2 degree will find the step angle. They will rotate in the step angle of 2 degrees for each step. That's the nice thing. This is absolutely fantastic way to remember a blurry topic, any blurry topic. इसको एक्सप्रेस कर दो, दीवारों के सामने एक्सप्रेस कर दो, अपने आईने के सामने एक्सप्रेस कर दो, वीडियो में एक्सप्रेस कर दो, अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर दो, एक्सप्लेन कर दो, एक्सप्रेस कर दो, वट एवर. जस्ट बाय दैट प्रोसेस you will automatically remember the blurry topic. Bloody topic. That's a very nice way. See, through this process of free speaking, I get to know this new blurry. Wait. I guess it's not lagging now. Okay. The video got lagged a little bit, so that's why I stopped it and again started it. I was in the flow state. So yeah, we were talking about this. We were talking about this idea of free speech. We get to know a completely new technique how to remember some things, some topics, express it somewhere. Due to this process of free speaking, I get to know that how to remember some like big theory based some topic, totally theory based topic. You get to remember that thing easily, and that's a cool thing, cool technique. What else other than this? No, I am not. Let's just talk today. क्या हाल भाई, क्या काम कर रहे हो? काम करे हो कि नहीं कर? काम करो दोस्त, तुम्हारे अपने लिए, अपने आप के लिए काम करो। काम ही है जो रहने वाला है कांस्टेंट। चीज़ें आएगी, चीज़ें जाएगी, इमोशन आएंगे, इमोशन जाएंगे। दिमाग कुछ नहीं है, लाइक मन तो कभी भी नहीं करेगा पढ़ाई करने का या काम करने का। मन के बेसिस पर जाओगे नहीं। तुम्हें रैशनल होके अपने फ्यूचर की, तुम्हें ऐसे देखना है कि तुम्हारा जो 5 साल वाला जो सेल्फ है, तुम्हारा 5 साल वाला जो वर्जन, वो तुम्हें गाली ना दे तुम्हारे इस टाइम के वर्जन को। ऐसा काम करना है कि मैं एक स्टेबल कंडीशन ला पाऊँ, अपने आप को कुछ इंप्रूव कर पाऊँ। दैट शुड बी योर मेन गोल। एंड इफ यू आर इन द 20s, आई वॉज वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो ऑफ श्वेता। यही टाइम है यार, अगर तुम अपने 20s में हो, अपने कॉलेज में हो, यही टाइम है, तुम्हारे पास टाइम है। जो भी चीज़ें करना चाहते हो, तुम जो भी चीज़ें, वट एवर थिंग यू वांट अकम्प्लिश, like you want to do that, you want to just like you want to learn something some skill, like you want to acquire some kind of conversation skill, or want to read something, want to think, want to write, want to learn some language or whatever. Do this now, because after college you won't get that opportunities back. You won't have much amount of time. You will yourself. Wait. I hope it's not lagging again. The video got lagged again. So yeah, we were talking about the opportunities. You won't get these opportunities. This opportunity of a time, this opportunity of a energy you have in the right now in your 20s. दे दो यार 5। आई रिमेंबर अमन ददरा वाज सेइंग दैट अगर 25 के बाद सबको 7 से 8 घंटे काम करना ही करना है, तो क्यों ना हम अभी से डालें ऐसा 7 से 8 घंटे वाला एफर्ट, जबकि हमारे पास कोई ऐसा कुछ, हम स्टेबल है, अगर हमें कुछ नुकसान भी नहीं होगा अगर हम नहीं देंगे तो क्यों ना हम ये 7 से 8 घंटे कोई स्किल अक्वायर करना जो चाहते हैं, वट एवर स्किल यू वांट टू अक्वायर, वट एवर लैंग्वेज और वट एवर दैट मे बी, why can't we just give it to them, this 7 to 8 hours of our daily practice or daily basis? That will just get you way much further in any circumstances, in any scenarios, with when you have to deal with the crowd. And don't look at this only with this crowd perspective. Try to just like I read this quote of Vinamr Kasana yesterday, that the only FOMO you have when you are not doing the things you actually want to do. And that's the exactly true sentence. वही चीज़ें तो तुम करना चाहते हो, तुम क्राउड के लिए मत करो, तुम जेन्युइनली करना चाहते हो, फॉर द सेक ऑफ दैट स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट, क्योंकि अभी टाइम है दोस्त। दिस इज द टाइम यू कैन डू लॉट ऑफ स्टफ। you have energy, you have this fresh mind, you don't have just so much burden on your like, there is a lot of people who do have their burden, who do have a lot of other priorities, but I'm talking about the majority, that they do not have like this the responsibility of family on properly on them. So this is the time. Learn some skill, acquire some skill, read, write, speak, think, make, create, whatever. Just do that. This is the time. ये बहुत बढ़िया था. I know that I don't. I know that I don't have some. Sorry. I know that I don't have proper skill to explain some other stuff. Some stuff. No, not some stuff. I don't have proper skill to explain anything that I do want to explain. I do want to. I don't know. See, how the hell am I just lagging in English? But I'm just putting a constant effort. I just want to learn this English language. What is this? I'm just it's language के the more try to be as much closer as you can to this language. I'm trying to as much closer I can be as much as I can. यही चीज़ है जो सिखाएगी मुझे ये लैंग्वेज. मैं जितना ज़्यादा नज़दीक आना चाहता हूँ. I just want to know this language fully, and it's not that hard. It's not climbing a mountain, Mount Everest, right? Today was a good free speaking because I did the explaining stuff of my curriculum thing. I think I'm going to stop now. It's already been 21 minutes. Let's finish it to 22 minutes. So क्या हाल भाई, काम करो यार, मज़े भी मारो यार, एक्सप्लोर करो. एक्सप्लोर करने में बहुत मज़ा आता है यार. कॉलेज में जब कॉलेज स्टार्ट हुई ना, भिन्न भिन्न कोटि के लोग मिलते. ट्राई टू एंगेज विद देम. आए हो किस लिए? बात ही करने को आए हो. कर लो बात, पूछ लो क्वेश्चंस, बना लो दोस्ती. That was good. So I think I'm going to stop now. See you tomorrow.